Social media management companies. Should we be using them? Find out on today's edition of Marketing Tip Monday. With constant talk of algorithms, analytics, and various types of engagement, the social media world can seem intimidating and sometimes make us desperate for help. Social media management companies have made a killing on convenience, but there's a question about whether that convenience is effective. In fact, social media expert Mari Smith performed a study showing that posting with a third-party tool results in 89.5% less engagement than directly posting to Facebook. When you think about each platform's endgame, this makes sense. From Facebook to Instagram, Twitter, and even LinkedIn, all of these platforms want to keep their users engaged for as long as possible. That means they want you to come to their platform and stay there. For the same reason links directing you away from the platform get suppressed, third-party tools that prevent you from ever even coming to the platform will be penalized as well. In addition to this, posts coming from a social media management company tend to get less engagement due to them being perceived as automated, because they are. When your audience knows you are not natively posting, they are less likely to interact. The newest algorithms encourage meaningful, human-centric content. So be mindful of this with every step you take in your social media ventures. Once you've established a solid presence on your social media platforms, scheduling assistance may be helpful. But when building your following, the more direct involvement you have with your audience, the greater your results will be. We're going to dig deeper into this topic in a future edition, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week for another edition of Marketing Tip Monday.